Achieving daily sales on eBay can be a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through effective methods to boost your daily sales on the platform. If you're an eBay seller looking to enhance your sales, consider implementing the following strategies. To begin, consistently introduce new products to your eBay store. Regularly adding fresh items will enhance your visibility within the marketplace. Address any negative ratings promptly by removing problematic products from your inventory. Maintaining a positive seller rating is crucial for attracting more customers. Provide exceptional customer service by ensuring fast shipping and timely refunds. Positive customer experiences contribute to higher ratings and increased visibility in search results. Explore running advertising campaigns for your products on eBay. Utilize sponsored ads to showcase your items prominently, similar to those of top sellers. Incorporate relevant and trendy keywords into your product listings to improve visibility and attract potential buyers. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your presence on eBay and maximize your daily sales potential. Remember to stay proactive and adapt to evolving market trends to achieve consistent success.